I've been managing the Lynn Central Square Farmers Market for 3 years, and we just started this market this year, so this is our first season having a winter market. Last month was our first day, and we had 600 people come, so it feels like there's really a need that we're filling in the city.
I always go to the farmers market in the summertime, but this is my second time for the winter's farmers market, and I'm very grateful for it. Any little bit helps, you know, when things are tight, so we really appreciate that.
I noticed that the farmers market have become more vibrant from when I started. Like last year, I guess people didn't really know much about it, and like the population really increased over time. And the new markets that we opened up in the parking lot opposite the new market basket is like really picking up.
I mean, it's a mix of a lot of different people from all over. As of course, Lynn is a really diverse city, and that's one of the things that I love about it. So it's really great to see different folks being drawn to different kinds of vegetables and finding what they need here at the market.
Well, healthy food that's grown locally. I'm really happy to have healthy food, especially the stuff that's grown right here in Lynn. I'm very grateful for that.
Having the food project not only like gives us the youth like a space where we can be empowered and like reach for something higher than we're usually accustomed to. It's also a place where like we get thinking about like the people who live in our community and the things we didn't really used to think about.
There's so many immigrants here in Lynn, and it's very helpful for them. I'm not an immigrant, I'm a local, but you meet a lot of people.
There's a space where like we're on the farm where we're doing the actual work, and then where we're at the farmers market where we're interacting with the people who buy our produce. And just that is something that I always look forward to.
I'm very grateful to live in Lynn, where there's a multitude of different cultures, and it makes it interesting. We don't all look the same or talk the same, but so I'm grateful for that.
Overall, I would say I want people to be able to eat a ton of healthy, fresh vegetables this winter, and be able to come out on a Saturday and find what they need from local farmers and have that interaction and get to know the people who are growing their food.